Celestine Donko is also performing live this Friday. Adom Praise 2020 virtual edition. 80 men you who free mukra. Ranian Kambum and Tuntum Kedian Ponyankupon. As a Mecambra cry, Kana Aquese to Nana Brown. Join us. I am home. I will feel. Blow my mind. The things you do it blow my mind. You just shock me, surprise me. I know I don't deserve it, but you do it for me. You do it for me. The things you do it blow my mind. The things you do it blow my mind. You just shock me, surprise me. I know I don't deserve it, but you do it for me. You do it for me. Adom 106.3 FM. Yegusuwe Yim, Ghana's first president of our fourth republic, His Excellency Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings. We're trying to ni Ashaban Yawade Itremi na over the weekend Niama Bibri Kwaso. In fact, Enra Endi Samayukuno a vigil Sronkokra Ede Ekae Omampenia Nyankopon aton sa ede afreno party no mpanifo bibri ena womokopi musa adwumadi no ase ede ensema hodo no a ede ekotu edwa ma mene honorable E.T. Mensah or a former member of parliament Ningo Pram mene no entwetwe enkomo honorable what me nka me wakwa
yeah me banche
yeah jampato so ho ye de
nyama dongo
especially for somebody like Wa when the former president Juma very closely and him say pa the mount but answer me beba in vigil no crash so no say me bisa memory near what kai pa and I would be kai on my penida that rolling sir there on a waiting mensa.
It does, Papa.
It does. It does.
It does. Now, my opinion, brother Rawlings, you shall say, pa, yeah, you want pa bra, say, first, May 15th and June 4th. After May 15th, June 4th. I said, our movement, we legal campus with a lot of the lecturers. I felt the new democratic movement. Now, as you said, you bet. Among four ideas upon the man column. I said, baby, about that time, Serbia, 7,000 that time, your man, I was a cost worker at that time. Because Bibia, cannot say, but Bibia, document, only connection, I will not document. Bia ebasa uba nka se once jana kwa se toilet wo nka public toilet na I ma say ufani ma 5 o'clock say uko toilet or any neighborhood public toilet you say 5 o'clock poko na I want my mom, say, make things so. That be the answer, only calabule those days. Upe document or only connection, only document. I mean, like, in the best of back with the birthday crime, I upe subject, I wouldn't. No, say, pa. In the bar, you're in May 15th, June 4th, we were all excited. Juma kasa start here for 31st December. Now, yeah, be the kind of Saturday. Or my Major said, Mayor of Accra. Bra, me call Accra office. Woman said, not near around the Rollins Park. Those were the only ones. Now, who said, do a carriageway back on free, and then Obechabilante Circle all the way to the other side, Labadi T Junction. That was the only one. Now, let's say, Bibia, Papa. The status are Jibano. Ripabia, or hands on. A bar says, Ube, I'm not fence. You are, I mean, Ukraine. Empty, yen, if you sue PDC, those PDC for Jina, a walk in Patafonia, now a country, yeah, organize and Umukahon. There was a year, say, you know, and Sankan, what is it? Nima, Yadima, Bota, Yakokra, or no, or Bat, or those of the Shumbi. Ubam says, free, examples, Udam, Kolibu Road Hall, Spain, Konya. Yanina, oh, yeah, Renji, Organizi, yeah, planted trees, old trees are one crania. Yeah, that baby, I be a ono of a journey. And the medical problem, yeah, kind say, Mila Pa Wonka. In all the neighborhoods, my Abrosa. Now, you can't, I may have 758, percent. Yes, sir. Now, I know, you're night. Before sorry, I don't pass. Now, Obuhono, your sister, my ever call Yama Pickens for them about how don't organize the break. Oh, sir, Saturday, you see. Kalabuli Bayane, every friend, Ebe Jinabu. Kalabuli, Bibia, Upe, Tomato, Makola. Who call shop, you say shop way, you're tomorrow. Who call my perform on Okro. Now, I'm going to be actually broomstick. Now, by now, Mama, I don't know people will be. They do call it they are back of shep the gun, some of them half piece. Those were the days. That's right. I'm not done yet. Now, for Johnny, teacher for Johnny, Nigeria, over Kai.
But Honorable, me working with the former president, says you worked in various capacities. For instance, mayor of Accra, minister, member of parliament, working with him. Net is saying.
Oh, it was good. Nipabia, he called a spade. And not regarding to what when I said, yeah, but Juma, because of monitor or monitoring teams, or monitor Ubia, the Juma oil. Now, say, Bibi and Koya, or best call you to order. Now, at the end, or the kind of power those days. So, Bamu said, when I say, Zeran Confessor or Manu, near a fast buyer. So to be corruption there, not what Chipra. Or talking to say gentlemen, say or realize that Bonkawa. There will be a day of reckoning, so you should be very careful. Except we are very careful. Say, Musu Moko did go for Sikabuko Chiti go for. And there baby I with him, which was fun. Now, some of yeah, Accra, the airport or fly, or fly helicopter, but all around, you know, on the aircraft, the dear, who ya, or better attention, friend, the Brian, not my cotton, I will be, and 2 of my engineers, now you see helicopter, no, you call around Accra, Rose, Accra airport, not airtime, Papa. Your friend said at a public market, no, airport, the young pa, yet be roads, city at that time. So, I'm not rules, I say that engineers of industry, yes, it is special units. Go for engineers and other workers. Before were given assignment. No monitor baby and you know not draw attention. In the other part or yejuma. And then you see electricity at that time. 9 was 9 regions, 9 means 10 regions. Electricity at that time. Accra, who call Makola Konawa Law School, hold on. On the electricity Accra was being powered by plants. Who call Kumasi electricity? Check Echo. There was nothing. And at that time, we wrote in your house and said, Kumasi 30 hours. Now, time you call Kumasi. So, then I'll offer lemons by. And on the peak here, and electricity or no, or fly, not who said, what the man said, no, electricity war, or Akosombo power. Now, as I said, echo baby, or the better across the Southern Bravo, electricity power in the hall. Now, the piano. Or sank of one, a bit of beer, or the do on PDC for no home. Even Accra, yeah, cake factories. Accra Community Center, every neighborhood. So they are, the beer just corn, organizing man, now all advanced document, now, young men want to be told. Yeah, young can be. Now, don't say I'm gonna say no. But yes, my pa said go for me. Can't say now. Then right away, I'm dirty politics. There's nobody apart from Kuma. There's no leader. What do they want to? What tiny, Ghana around than Papa J. Because the campaign was not really all the youth movement I have forming. I'm there, sir. Oh, yeah, Papa J. I want you to be so.
But Mami Bisa, do you think he died a happy man? Me Bisa we because of relationship a better one no party angasa what NDC amayuku no anyone no entem. In fact, from there 2012 a day back 2020 the relationship and on no NDC amayuku no entem. Do you think he died a happy man?
Well, your guess is as good as mine. Not really. Idea say well, what's he dying? Man, go for do how many dying and when I was dying now I'm dying. It's na Bofabia, almost here tree, Babu how we started it, then to the extent that sometimes on your founder. It's so funny. So naturally, as a human being, you will not be happy. You feel it. call radio so called Boade. Now, Opinion, you know, now you kind of answer. Meanwhile, most of them, their fathers run away to Nigeria and other places. They didn't know how we struggle to bring this nation where it is today.
Clearly, you are not happy the way the party treated him. Honorable.
Yeah, all of us. I mean, look at all those all the senior people who were part of this whole program. That was when he talked about babies with sharp teeth. And said, people call radio so called painful. No bra you dare not. Say, who call you conform radio so. So that I read look at you. Adom Adom is a direct product of President Jerry John Rawlings. Although Muwakai said how Joy FM came about, that was the first institution on your license. South time now, doctor head of the military hospital, Mubosu ni anchor. Oh no, yaman license. So first, somebody started Joy FM. Ya first one been for and those days were serious days. You dare not, you go and insult anybody on the airwaves. At the time that he came on board, the only radio station that we had was GBC 1, GBC 2. That was it. And he thought that on no count, he said, you open up the airwaves. At that time, television, GTV, they're black and white, and even colored. So, colored television, that's spreading all over the place today. You credit President George Rawlings. And we can go on and on and on. So, the airwaves, every sector. Although, working 80, that was 85, 84, thereabout. So be a few mountains, Bibia, say, Bessie, Befa, second, and said the budget once. The first time I've been. By in Crawford, a farm Munyama. He came down himself, with saw the soldiers, Abu Fabut, Abu Namsu, because from how they do, first, Kolibu, or not, and as a crowd. Now, when or because of you have to come on board. Any young men who, the PDC was such an effective organization. The youth really woke up. What Kai said, Cocoa cry, because Mononia, you just got the Ghana. Then I can't farm wrong. I cut a fool, or no buy, and at that time, all the students, the home students, were all into tech, name it, I'm just Omuko, Shasha, Coco, Ubehua, so teachers are, probably no one can lose all the or Febby, but railway rehabilitation, all over. It wasn't just fun, it was real work. Throughout the country.
Nti ushe se adwuma we nyina wo ye na afei ko wie se party no sort of omode nanim etwitwi fam no you think he was not fairly treated, but ma bisa, are you surprised finally say afei ase ayonkofa eda wone MPP and Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo for that matter no afei ebeye sonko emu beye den pa eyo
no and then when I say friends, although Obiani Adia na Nana Nuzabu along the line, one was player of Pada or Muya Adia or no or to the Pafu not here. Uya Bibia, who to the Pahu Honsuna, say Nanano Obu or respected founder of the Fourth Republic. Bra, family no call, Papa family call, Jubilee, double call, breaking news about Inumano. Sir, sir, as the founder of the Fourth Republic, because on 31st December, that will be on 31st December, can say that school was going to be the last school in this country. Now, we're going to make sure that this country, you're building, Nima says, so, starting all the things are here from transition to democracy by creating new district assemblies, was towards creating a democracy best stand the test of time. Now he was in the driver's seat with go for the truth is there. You can see.
Honorable, now Vigil Nasi. One could be.
So yeah. Adding. Yes, you know, adding. By a week, just morning, honestly.
And until I want call Vigil, no.
Yeah.
And I send you a
oh,
how do you see the future of the NDC? NDC Amayukono Nedachi at the saying, it's a bear found a trend in the buying.
What the NDC needs is discipline.
Discipline.
When we were, I was a national youth organizer for several years. How we related to seniors isn't what the new boys are doing today, which is not right. Insult. Even if you want to insult the opponent, it doesn't give a ma. If I'm saying, the papa ma kobia discipline the discipline, something has to. But end of the day, it has come to stay. Like when our cadres used to, cadres they go, cadres they come. But the revolution has come to stay. And nobody can take it away from Papa J. Nobody. Absolutely nobody. So I can how the transition from UTU, the PDC, the Workers' Defense Committees, and all the various organizations, which our new democratic movement, Jufo movement, NDC. Now, discipline, we created platforms to educate the young people. When I was a youth organizer, we set up the team, the intellectual wing of the party, because we thought that it was necessary. Youth carry it from the campuses and communities. We use that platform, the same platforms throughout. History of Ghana. Though we use those platforms to educate our young ones on the history of Ghana. I published quite a number of things, and maybe what I say, now you said the echo. The BIC about Wajib say now Ghana is starting from all governments, 1896, colonial government, we were on the same belt with Nigeria all the way to Cote d'Ivoire, as far as oil was concerned. They did about it started years. What was then Nkrumah also started. We call a Kita to say that call Kita base. At that time Nkrumah the we do or the one time Russia and others. Now we almost explore. But for us to start a chapel tanker and petrol buy on the do now what was missing was that there was no direct focus. We all call Nigeria Natural Oil Petroleum Company and by along the line by 83 a definite decision was taken. So we have to create an institution. And hence the GMPC, led by Chachi Chikata, was created to focus on oil exploration. And they did a lot. And through the Nama, so every sector, every sector of the
but honorable
education, yes.
Yeah, the current main kind of confusion between the party and the government. So funeral arrange a yen hon share yen now your founder in TNSED anymore. Abino so say he's a statesman, the first president of the Fourth Republic. Into a Abino responsibility to honor him with a state barrier. So confusion here, because who is saying
this is unnecessary. You're talking about the state who Nkrumah didn't stand by and yet CPP as a statesman, founder of the president didn't mean words. He said he was a founder of the Fourth Republic and the first president of the Fourth Republic. As a state barrier. So for me, talking for myself is a non-issue. The state will have to give him a befitting barrier.
So the NDC should back off and allow the state to perform its national duties. The government to perform its national duties.
But that is what it is. You call a spade, and not a garden tool.
Honorable Madam I don't know, but I know former President Rawlings, ebe hu fie wasi wo pram.
One of those, concept because somewhere along the line, though. Papa J, if you are working hard, he will support you. We started this movement long before June 4th. I was a youth, one of the national youth coordinators for PNP with late Atuosi and all that. And we were involved with, so when the revolution broke out, we were network all over. You saw young youth platforms starting all the youth movements, PDC, now Obi Adema say Ubana or Yejuma. You always call him. He will always invite you, let's come along and all that. He will find time and show you how we started even the party. But sometimes, now he wasn't there. He wasn't this. Every step along the way, he was there. So, into your wife, see, Papa J, I look at all, me and the Baba, and Papa said, be a air corner. Oh, be see, oh, me, Nimsana here, Cathy here. Me, 5 big boys since boys have been here, my wonder. Now, me, can every say, why would you say, well, every paramount here, or your friend said, Nipa, or cutting the hair of him, you know, your man, Akuja. So, I mean, can make a man willingly. And I can, there would be a
Intiana yet, so now you're the Baba, or now you're JJ Baba, and you're credit.
Almost they did that friends jealousy.
Okay.
Because the management here, me mobilizing to be deemed true. Because Papa did a truthful. Who could do a true man? You have to be sure. There will be, a confrontation. Now, what prove? Into me didn't true. Now, Nipa. Ma ujima uya undin trono me gwa di pa bi no sa uya jibana undin tro ya pa se uwo Adom FM se undin tro ko fo na unye juma ka ubanya fa kwa utiro bo di twin tro na one of those rumors are emfa bada sataba obviously ma sifi wo be
ya te kwaso hu ya na so ko iti bo ma tuna na je no no
what is that there were other parts so you see bra you see feel yeah me housewarming and obaye obepwe wo who said uncle for na setting tables or fat table no what to na ni bofu say why should that another stories that people coined on person already said it. I mean there's animal there now empty the bottle crowd because they were all not true. Obviously your friends get cry automatic people are being childish. So to be able to see be able to be a automatic gate so pay. Who call South Africa common thing, even Zimbabwe and other places. Common thing. I think Obwa. At that time, there wasn't a big deal because I wasn't, somebody was not working before getting involved with politics.
Yes.
I worked in State Transfer Corporation, Audit Department, finally when I finished my accountancy course. And then from there I taught in school, colleges. Then I went to work in University of Ghana Finance Office. Services that I met to see that I miss you. Now, I was he knew. Ghana.
Okay. Honorable, what do you abeka no emunu krese sana enya na wuyi former president niti na onya ne baba.
You see your baba can be pepper. Say great man we the baba. What? Biduya can be yam dudu. But it's not true. Just a figment of the imaginations of some detractors. So they want to find something that may be too strong for those cheap talks.
Intina why na yini timano? Mana na yene baba.
Oh, as the papa penimwa or no the boy that or flight lieutenant there was only baba. Sometimes once Saturday, a lot of away, not Baba don't go beyond further than this. On the Baba or Catherine Herman.
But one kind of thing.
There. I said, this year, say, oh, Fina, or say, yes, Catherine here. Me, some friendly. Now, suddenly, the houseboy then, but I love to work with him, and I work with him. Any type of fair, you ever can't all the fun times are you need it. When part 1, part 2, you're not about you're careful. Yeah.
Honorable Mama now say na yemfensia. Me pem ye beka sabio. Ye nyina yen shedding.
Oh, that's it.
Honorable Enoch Tay Mensa, a former member of parliament for Ningo Pram Pram. And he served in various capacities under former President J.J. Rawlings. Now, my main Kenkai Facebook comments, Ekakra, Mike Lotu, or say, E.T. has said it all. This is why I said I will divorce my wife if she belongs to NDC, because she will show me how to insult elders. Michael Otu Nede Eno Aba Entry Penamine on Facebook, or say, thank you, Mr. E.T. Mensa. You said it all. Also, Ebenezer Nati, CJ, good morning. Keep on with the good work. Thank you very much, Ebenezer. And Faye, we so every Mark Nijuban, or CJ. Sometimes I don't understand why the NDC wanted Papa J to attack Nanado, because the old man is doing well. And also Nidia or the Eba Facebook no. Okay, so you can come through with your Facebook comments. Joining in Adom 106.3 FM or Facebook na fe YouTube na file comment eto ho yebejibre na fe yakenkan de amount. Megwaku.
CJ. Ade a chen bia. Na watchful fraba.
Sabe pe.
Dia reho. Nanso nyame no nim de eye. En wo ye de manema eto da bia yi ni pai BBC a wodwene ho wonte ase wonte ase nanso e bia ekọ heavy anya me be cheche mu no ani ni daso ayewo se wrade adom na ne ba Kristo ne maye toso mienu mai Kristo ni ndie so wo ba ni kopiem wo heavy se di tibia nche mu bi odbe ba nti atwa wo duru heavy ho a wo ma me nwie wo ma me nwie
Akuya maning mana nunsi akuya
edi be suban krania eden manu sie wo mitrim
ena mpesa mesere ne se
wo mitrim
asembi waje se koduru heavy na ye beti munti bi e hokora nchire mu bi eni na
dia me kano
me Bible scholars no me Bible be suban krania bra kan tram de men kasa bi
men kama no ntum se me ma on kasa
me Bible scholars no mo famre me Bible mu Bible wa ya chro se wo se de mabie so ne de eyemo de na de makata so ne de eyem awurade men ko amede
wo a on se
mo famre me
me na me se me ko heavy akubi se nyame
for
chapter 29 verse 29
bam
nti wo ka Bible me ko
meba na what you ye near Masisi over the weekend. Mitimi hu se dunkwa oboase dunkwa kwan no so akwansha no esi yes nipa num ene wo mo twere wo nkwa nipa be dunsia de ye kire be bi wo mo da no mu adin papa wo boase dunkwa wo mo kire Toyota pickup double cabin Hilux CB ene ne Sprinter basa loadu wo mo de bani nipa num wa krana na dunsia de wo mu go no so emu adin pa me gire se mrepem ayo adin foni no ebegu Facebook de amame
eno na ate na ba kono de wanti
nia okun na banoma no
yeah ani no so
em se no si wo asen awusem asen awusem na sa asem no esi kwadwantwi Messi ni a wadi sa enyambra semi ono ho asem na ye kire na owie na okoto abofra no de ne twene
nwuram eno so we videos na Afreda mode ba ye no aposifo call ye no na wo se omofa kwada no de na se efiru so no di ni tini wura mu di kan na chale o sa kwala ni didi dodo o ti kwadwantwi ne charge ansa kwala ni didi dodo
eno anti
na abanoma wo ye no wo a wo papa mfes kama so sore wo didi sa
debi no didi a ye kunu
na samana
we dam
complete and answer Adam half
we dam
kwakuna samanu no akola didi
kwada so say broni bi efre kwada so Kenya se number 2 ehon so abranti bi a wotwi Prague yi bi so kado George Edu Jemfi ono so awo bi sikan ekunu George Edu Jemfi ni mom ni awo ne sikan
the Osin in your fan is a 1 city you said in the Akoto Bruduno.
Sasemnoa.
As an answer, Abuteko from Dudu. Pressure no was through. I say,
Martinami do so the details about contract for sale. No, what it now and I pay me pay 10 minutes. Now I can kind the report. No, fee and Rabin, Madame Wakin kind press statement or the ebetu my king kind, but I pay me pebre na met me akum. Na makenkan ninyina. In fact, what I say, phobia office of the special prosecutor no krano, they became somehow compromised. Abraham Shimuno air cosono. Intina fe in seven or one person be the investigation as on person to nase bibisa.
Say just a Ghana de bibi at missy. O man etimuno. Everything is possible like the cartoons world. Ghana hana etino. Everything is possible like the cartoons world. Uko cartoons world I want to tell say or one two. Na atichidie na watu. And see Ghana na etene die bibia ya possible. Everything. Bibia timisi. And see the best bia susuma ne nwanwa. Special prosecutor on the office no ayete say ono meye hwehwemu na katasese pro ne dwurum die wo mo de wo dobri mu ne yemfa wo mo emra na yemebo mo kwadu ni ade no wono an office wo kra ye de na ne sabe eyi emponko kro everita ne mfui na obi a oso kwadubu no moti e pam no na ne oso de abede enti Ghana de oman no se enkopem se de bia kwakwadu komika na enkopem se ye ne ankase ye besesan yesu bai ya adwene ne yetumi anwe adwene mu nsakraye adwene mu foforoye no se je mensura ahwa ye ada ahwa age se ye kase ye mu ndonko me ne nchiche sika na mai
see here
I'm kind paragraph for you, please. From Office of the Special Prosecutor. See, in the interim, it was becoming apparent from the manner the investigations were being conducted by the staff of seconded investigators of this office. This office, that 2 of them were compromised because the acting head of investigations and the case officer used less than 1 hour to search the premises of Talent Discovery Limited, Mr. Ajay's residence and Mr. Francis Ahin's residence, and literally found no material exhibits, not even a telephone or iPad. Further intelligence disclosed that one of the investigators was in constant communication with one of the lawyers of the suspects. I raised the matter with the investigators at management meetings.
See you. Na your friend is saying obofo ayedi na ya na krabo aka no kwaye mu nipa yesi emebre wo ne so mpafe na mi itina Ghana ye koya na ye bai na na ka me beka asim bi ansa na obekan we sere empanfo wa asim bi o mo ka se de ye abotachi kuro boy ya wo bia ntimi afa ne nsantene ne yonko so se ya so masi anaso wo benten no na so bia nim hu bi ekuro na tachi kuro abronti ene yatu ne din abotachi nti de ye abotachi kuro boy ye a wo bia ntimi afa ne nsantene ne yonko so se eyesije eyakua eyakwaku eyarowa na so bia nim hu bi na o man yensa ne nkosa
yenia ne yeso ye man e de akofe yi ase
yensa ne nko
ne yenya bonu wiedie a na ne agi tu se na yenkan so hunu se amaye atwa ye ho asia na wonwo sa
akwa me ba stories na pay yabobo oboso see weekend ni ade hu video ne pictures ni na o join me on Facebook Adom 106.3 FM on Facebook ayo a the videos ne pictures ni na e de egu ho accident see woma abofra ne de ne step daughter ne de no na afi pragea right there ono so ya wo ne sekan ekuno ni nyina no ewo Facebook Adom 106.3 FM ewo Facebook na odo comment the atoho Pastor Mario say the system is not working at all. Sometimes it's so sad. Ghana pa ono so ne dia or dia abandon. It's pictures no ewo Facebook sisi a kwaku
Hadrin.
CJ, I had a chance near see a Kagana Samoa. And one year Becca sa while here won't sorry and conquer if frubium. Nanso so yakan and one so near was yaka. And Nema and Koyi na papaya or no say no complaining or complaining be brebesano. Me no craning and we am one kakra. Ora Martinamidu. No cranny, what young Fanan Cotronso or complaining no mekancha Ghana fool. We put him there. Sakoye Juma. Yes, say, or so mine no any bibi say, Yensika kodi disabe botobia, any quanse kodi dimu, Sikana kodi di insebi any quanse kodi dimu, engineer and Kayan critics how office and Fanan Cotton. And see, we are sick and tired of his complaints. What nothing why a Jumana won't see it to no one Jumano. What by yes, and no maba, crying to me prosecute you will be a. Airbus and semi a Japan royalties. Dear cake and one need your okay Kenya a contract selling a home cronibena. One tray, yes, why no need this Edumano? Not Debbie Abano Becana, no what to Ariam Piazza, no what to Ariam Piazza, a publishing near Keke cancer to Togu from him near co opening, baby or tin what you pay. And Takachano, Jin obey a whole Juma, wash and when you saw Juma. What when ya Casadu one and Casadu one top on co.
Okay. Kofi Dazi and command me ora iti men sa twetwen ono so de ne dia about say Ghana pa na what say I also heard the rumor that Mr. E.T. Mensah was JJ's barber. I only got to know that what people were saying was not true. A friend said he met E.T. Mensah at an Institute of Financial Literacy, okay, program in Legon, okay, Nadia, no. The Branson Richard, or the CG, the truth is that from top to bottom, we don't speak the truth. The Branson Richard, Nadia, or the Abba, and no. And apparently, so former President John Dramani Mahama, Obako signed the Book of Condolence. That was Accra International Conference Center. Say, the press release by say. And a former president no on back sign nothing pen phone kind in so
phone kind
yeah dear Yawada if you be a penny phone kind on near did so and penny phone kind
depending
why the mouse happening in
na maybe they may come in
Sunday and dear
we are penny on film when you're penny or
over sign with you.
Hey, Messing,
I was if we have a tree to a penny media.
Yes, your company for mobile sign Book of Condolence, young company for between tree.
Now, pay.
Many pain. Now, Crazan, I know the pay bedroom. Now, no, the pay bedroom and sweat over Chroma said.
None the crowd is all patches.
For daily graphic initial.
Yes, money chip, patches.
Or patches on
for my lawyers.
We have some trainings Uchi pay on Fapem.
Now, pay a tone is saying.
O lawyer Nankasa Crasso, no one can say, you defend them while here near Tono.
Daily graphic.
Moment you got top and box room. Mammy, you got top.
Now, say so to Chroma, yes, sir. Chimbrick.
You have a daily graphic, the Bocrat and franchise and a CJ. And somehow, daily graphic or anymore, what you for you be a barbetua. I for you no cars, a packet. A walk quine chain, say, a jan or yes, accident, de banya grow. Kumasi and Cran Quantum Ponsu, Ubedru and any track, Kago, I can see a packet, CJ, if we know. Double packing. ABC Bunkumbe Bissi ni fan. And the Pana Fiat is a wobenum.
Quaquahuno, a sonny a dom, a Atimotaho, sa area on. A drew Friday and ABC Hono, a quano, Jaja. Abacasa tracks and now more alpha containers and now, one day cook massing, I catch almost say, one more packing we and ho. Sasusa.
No, now only my dear hard pie and no hard drink about me. I dear have me pie at Chimota. At Chimota old station, hono. I be dear for one of the wild than the car parking. wo mo fa kwan no na trɔtrɔfo nso afa na traffic nkwa
kwan no inner lane ni pe
traffic nkwa open tema ko ba bia na eno no eno nso akoda na ntwense no edi be zuban korania
make say na kwaku ayi new station what the hot tete o
eda o
new say achimota new station one ye no eda what tete
enti ana daily graphic nsem bi kan we ho no de aba won saka no akenkan bi
ene anopay the chronicle the obokrata so ede a wode nam ni ono so wase kanema mpene JJ Rollins namu ba bi ebesie no eno kran so say eho akoda na ntwensene ebinom sie nkosie no ni krom eye kope ewo keta ene binom so se o wo man no ahyeda bamusieye ede ama amampanimfo ya obedi o man so pen asumdwe park enti ho ene mfa no nkro enti eno so afei ene ye twe ne tan ne yehunu ba bia opani ye besie no ena wode ababiem se Akufo Addo graduates no say kumi free SHS for no first batch wo na kotro yi wasin sohwe na ano yin na ye kire say enkwada na yade yeso wo mo abubu marking scheme no papa na anopay chronicle ono na sem ode ba ye kase pa edani mu ase ba na headline no was NDC for nya chompani nya chompa na TNDC amanyoko mu sei wo se nanu ya na kanema mpani JJ Rollins ye piane si nchen na ye se amanyoko no kwa fedi wonye fanda biem na obi atumi ka de opache na fedi na yie NDC fo atie simu no ne Ghana bai ede ehu ato ayire mo ho na no na chronicle ebo mane no pese we se ye ntu di se eye enhwehwe animu ene nya atwomwa na eye de asema anopen chronicle edebaye no na wukọ page 14 kratafa tosu edu enan owura ebokwansa na atwere wose nokrani Jerry Rollins na wonye sentidie na ensoso ne dwumadi ahodo bebre no yade a oman no bekoso akai ne de bia the chronicle
yanko yanim ya de daily guide obokrata ne de toaso na daily guide enso senior high school for no graduate no nsem aba a de obokrata no ka anase wonya bia betwa kenkan o de na nado ne nkwada ne bi emfonyina omutwa na nado wahwe na African wear chese nkwada no ma check kama pa no omutwa emfonyina o de aba beto a wase Akufo Addo senior high school graduates score high ene honsem ewa ha na re anso a yasi chaos CNDC amanyoko nim basabasa mentem ho ase CNDC amanyoko nim de ba asam na aba yeso mampanyin dada ba bi besie ne na akoda na ntwensini a chese ebi musie fa kwani krom ebi musie zie ne nkran wedi nam benkum wedi nam nifa ene da obokrata no wonsaka delegate na afi wakenke bi na ha ene wasi jeje book of condolence ene ebi ato se dagwa wo bia kɔ no akɔtworo ne de se de mpanyufo de atodwa ɛda bia ne mpanyufo mo bɛkɔ ɛda bia ne mpanyufo mo bɛkɔ ɛda bia ne mpanyufo mo bɛkɔ nti eduru wo so a no akɔ akɔtworo menu mienu de ko moti
kangwa wasem maza
yeda ya wada eti eduru ho a ye bɛkɔ akɔtworo na wa so wa bɛma ai nuru so abɛkɔ de ye ho te sa atwea now they ne ko so kwa go tru
ena me ne mahama na ko ontumi nkanjem se o ma mi ni mechi
we daily guide the obokrata say unipedipa
de me ya no me ya nkasa me nipa enti ontumi nkanjem se o ma mi ni mechi wo san na masan eseje me tro so GT Ghanaian Times
ni twato
GT Ghanaian Times anopay wase Ghana mampeni na Nanadan Akufo Addo ene kase wase Kane mampeni JJ Rollins ade ba ko yebetumi di aka no se UDS University Development Studies or chese enamnensa so ne baaye enti aba ne sey ne won kate asefo wo biemu yi ke tabiri ne din de to so a enka eno no enye bad idea kra na nka da bia no Ghana ne din no eguso ne dayano na ye bosa na esan se free SHS enkwada no de no ye di ka bobo so nti ho me nkobiem ena wo se oman no enam asoye hwe yatena ya ho ne die Nsem so Ministry of Sanitation so ena wasan the third nationwide disinfection asan ababiem COVID-19 ogusoa na wotu nnuro ne epeten ebeko suku adamu ebeko edwahoduo mu sebeya ebetumi de epia yade no etiko na enkramantema posifo nso ene wo ka wo ho soup ni bi ewo enkran ena wo se nipa aduanan a wo suspect se wo mo criminals ena ya chechechire wo mo a sabre wo behwe na wasonsonso no mo ebo nko adu ebe yie no na wo mo ya na echi wo mo ewo soup nsa na yenya binom ede ko adu bo mo de ye de binom gina court bo mo ko adu de na wo se kanema mpani JJ Rollins a wo free mu no senka yebubu enade a Nyankopon ya adom anka ye wada wo ye bayi na wotwe nanso ebusua no ene eyire ne ma no de enkrata pia bonte se na wotwe da bia nyi ho a ye bedi ewo omaimu enti anopai Ghanaian Times ono so ne nsema wode nam ebi ena mabobo so no CJ so se ni twa to de ya
CJ ye ko na ye ko no asamba akopɛ ena mesre se Ghana na ye ba akopɛ eno an ye wo Ghana bia ni ba bia biom ena awurade adom upe aman pa sumdwe wo so Ghana ye ka ho enye fe sadia Ghana ni fantini wotimi kware kroboni en aigbeni wotimi ware asantini we chese ya ware kama ne yete asumdwem sa asumdwe ne mo ho ban CJ emaye ma batoɔ enkofa basabasa ma esanse ye kan to kwasi asesi a CJ ne ye ko French what French
oui
what the reason are there police watch what they say it no ya mo ya sumdwe ho ban ye nto ya ba de obedun kunim de obedun kugu ni nyina ye Ghana nkunim die ni entra ba bia sumdwe mu
na CJ me so me dia me di gya na makro ni kana mampani free mu na ye bobo ne voices ne nsem a waka ka bia na baby de o kan ye ne se ye ntumi nye justice e wa bra enokredie ama na eno so de gise wo se wo mpese obeti asama se ansa no wa ye wadwese asam na wo kan anim se baby bia tenteni ebepie na gise nokure bia nso we se baby no ye yipie enti oman na yetim no efrim pani so beka nkwada so ye ma nokuredie eni ye anim yenka nokura it doesn't matter se nipa no wo yobusuani o so ye denyo se bone no obeya amakwan ne yentwe na so de besi bia no ye ma nokuredie enadi enokuredie ne ye nim fese nokuredie ba mo se akoma ye dai eto yem de o satentene no ye di ma no akoma to yem ema ewiechira na bonse afei yaudie bia wo nipa no na oyi atogu ne ye nyina ye kɔ yenim de ye ma ye de National Reconciliation Commission eba ye nanka ne fapema no enso wi akire no ye hunu ba bia no kure kokosi ye na yaudie ne da so wo nkrofo mu ana ede abapim ne ya ene afei na eye kutuwe champion ne bayi ono so a blast ono so atututu bi ede agum no enti ye hwe na ye ni nokura ma ye ho ese wo man na no ebetumi aboa ma emfuntuo na ye pe no abantem makrawo
obidum bie kwakwa dukumi na na akua champion ma asafo adu ene de bonkrata na poso ede brew Adom 106.3 FM Advanced Anima Vivo smartphones, stunning design, superior quality, Pan-African savings and loans, Bell, Chapman, Duraplus, where Duraplus goes water flows, Latex Foam, your partner for life, Vodafone, the future is exciting, ready at Beve Herbal Center, Wayarisa, FEA. Krata Efi State Protocol Department, Office of the President, efa book of condolence no ho no ene ho enhyehyeye no mame enkenkan dated 13th November 2020 or say for immediate release. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the general public is advised to note that the signing of the Book of Condolence for the late former President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency Flight Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings, will commence on Monday, 16th November 2020 to Friday, 20th November 2020 at the foyer of the Accra International Conference Center from 9 a.m. To 5 p.m. daily. Please refer to the schedule attached to note the appropriate times for signing. Thank you. Signed, Nana Enoch Osei Mensah, Head of Protocol, Office of the Vice President and Moderator of the signing of the Book of Condolence. Entino say yesha Monday 16th November 2020 na say ene say na signing no ebeko from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. The Right Honorable Speaker of Parliament, Ebeko Akosign. Now, from 9:40 to 9:10 a.m., His Lordship, the Chief Justice, members of the Judicial Council and Justices of the Supreme Court. Almost also Ebeko Akosign from 9:40 to 10:10 a.m. From 10:15 to 10:45. From 10:15 a.m. to 10:45. Now, former President His Excellency John Ejekum Kufuor and former President His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Entina say anapay nundu abapa ho sima dunum ede kopem aka sima dunum ma dubako abono. Sa mpenifo mi former President wamba ko sign. Afi from 10:50 to 11:20. Former First and Second Ladies of the Republic. From 10:50 to 11:20, former First and Second Ladies of the Republic. From 12 noon to 12:15 p.m., the Chief of Staff of the Republic, Ensoba Kosign. 12:15 to 1 p.m., Chairman and members of the Council of State, Ministers of State, Members of Parliament, and so Ebeko Akosign. Now, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., presidential aspirants and other political leaders. Inti enedieno enono nyame aduma ochina nso so me de sani ochina de no etieno me de no nso so de beka ho de amao Adom 106.3 FM na se no sa ena etie. The brand no Maestro